We definitely got some snow, so as you see. You are now watching Farming with Duffy Ag. Yeah, we got snowed in a little bit, but they just came down. You want to go outside? No, you're done with the cold? I'll back up so that he can push this snowbank out of my way. It blew all around, so. Yeah. Woo! Front windshield just clean. I don't know who's actually in the loader. Oh, my father. My brother's still out plowing, and I think Andy's shoveling for him. So we'll let this warm up and back down and let him clean it all up. Yeah, so they're just plowing their ways out. I literally couldn't leave my house because of the snowdrift down at the bottom, which is fine. And the milk truck, hats off to Dave. He started at, I don't know if it was 10 o'clock last night doing his route, and he finished at 7 this morning. Where he got to the plant. It might have been earlier he started. So he ran all the way up. It's freaking freezing out here. He's not going. Oh. So he ran all the way around his route and got down to the Franklin plant this morning, and it was snowing. So hats off to anybody who's a milk truck driver, because you can't stop. You got to keep going. So they actually planned ahead, had trucks at certain farms so that they could get loaded and get going in the morning. So we didn't get picked up by the milk truck, so most of the driveway didn't have to get cleaned at all. I'm absolutely freezing right now. I'm freaking shivering. Whew. I even got bibs on. Should have put more layers on. Whew. So they're just getting around to plowing anything that is in or out, so that's fine. That's why all day long I've just been doing merchandise, editing video, doing paperwork. And what time? It's 10:30. So freaking, I've never shivered this much. It's been a while, but oh, okay. So he'll finish up, I'll back out, he'll just clean up that little snowdrift. He's already did my brother's side. So, but yeah, my brother runs a skid steer for a guy, for Nick Hudson, and he does housing development area, and then he's got shovelers that actually shovel right up to the houses, the driveways, the garages. So it's a pretty busy thing. They're there the whole time from when it starts to when it stops. But I'm gonna stop filming for a sec because I'm shivering. It is freaking freezing out. Got the heat going now so we can warm up a little bit. So he's just plowing up top. We definitely got some snow, so as you see, I don't know, there's 1.5 foot berms and stuff like that. The wind blowing definitely makes it, like where I was parked, blew it all around. So anywhere where it could blow across quick, definitely moved it. It's light, fluffy stuff. So anybody who is thinking about a mini loader, greatly recommended, especially a Cat. That's a 908H. Absolutely love it. If we didn't have some tight spots and stuff like that, really wouldn't need a skid steer. Mini loader is the way to go. They're expensive, but they're the way to go. he got us plowed out here. We'll finish up that little spot there, and yeah, got plenty of room again. So there's a bit of a snow update. We'll do some more tomorrow when we actually get back to working in it.